Hello and welcome. My name is Colby McConnell, president of Sonic Tools, and I'm here today to introduce the Sonic difference. Let's have a quick glance at what I'm going to speak with you about today. I have a couple of key points to run through with you and shouldn't take more than 10 minutes of your time. Today we'll go through our student program, the Sonic Pathway program, our products, and what makes us stand out from other tool companies. At the end of the presentation, I will explain how you can order tools directly to your door. In the last few years, Sonic has gone from an unfamiliar brand to a highly recognized expert in our industry. We are now trusted by some of the largest brands in the world. We specialize in high-quality hand tools, toolboxes, and premium storage solutions, with sales in more than 65 countries worldwide. We are a Dutch brand with our global headquarters located in the Netherlands. I'm speaking to you from our North American headquarters located in Auburn, Alabama. We are the first professional tool brand to disrupt the outdated tool truck model by leveraging technology and allowing you access to the professional tools from the convenience of your phone. This will allow you to order, add on, and handle all your warranties right from a single source. Our tools are great, but our organization is even better. Our age and experience have allowed us to understand and adapt our tools to what technicians need on the job. All our products are designed to work at the utmost efficiency, allowing you, the technician, to put more money in your pocket. Let's chat about our student program. If you're graduating and getting ready to start your career, having the right tools for the job will be key for your success. In fact, most employers require you to have tools to start the job. That's where we come in. There are three main benefits to our student program. 1. Our discount. We offer you a 35% discount on a majority of our catalog. That's more affordable than any tool truck competitors and means you can focus on what matters, getting out of school and making money. 2. Our extended discount period. We recognize most tool companies provide discounts to students. However, those discounts are typically valid only while you are a student. With Sonic, our discount extends 90 days after graduation, allowing you more time to determine the exact tool set you will need to be successful in your new career. And 3, our financing. With Sonic, students have a unique, students-only financing opportunity. Our student financing portal allows you to apply for financing with instant approval. Between our student discount and our financing options, Sonic is providing you with the opportunity to start your career without burying yourself in a mountain of debt from high-priced tools. We also offer the Sonic Pathway program. This program introduces a new way for a starting technician to purchase high-quality, affordable tools with the option to upgrade to a more advanced set over time. This program was designed by educators, training professionals, and industry employers to ensure technicians have the right tools for the job. Each of our tool sets is tailored to skill level and the tools required to do a job at that level, whether you are a starting technician or an expert in your field. Here are 3 sets that are part of the Pathway program: Basic, Intermediate, and Advanced. The idea here is, as you move along in your career, Sonic provides you with the opportunity to upgrade your sets when you need, as opposed to requiring you to make a hefty investment up front. Each time you upgrade, you'll receive a new set of foam trays that fit your new tools. The big takeaway here is the difference in investment value between the Sonic Pathway program and a traditional tool truck brand. As you can see in this example, a technician who has purchased tools through a traditional program over the course of 7 years would have spent around $23,000 for the same setup that would only cost you $9,400 through Sonic. With Sonic, you can start at any level and upgrade when you find that you need a more comprehensive set. It's a shocking difference in dollars. That's because everything we sell is direct to you with no tool truck franchises, retailers, or middleman involved. The Pathway program is a great way to get started in a specific trade, but if you want to choose your own configuration of tools, toolbox, or cabinet setup, we have those options available for you as well. Our product line includes more than 6,000 different items. We source, manufacture, and create our products from some of the best supply chains around the world. We stand behind our products and offer not only a lifetime warranty, but also an exchange process for broken tools. Our toolbox ranges from our small roll-around units, like our S8 or S9, all the way up to our S12XD and S15. All our toolboxes feature heavy-duty casters, powder-coated exteriors in a variety of colors with substantial ball-bearing slides. All are engineered to withstand the tough environments. While our cabinet line extends beyond our student program, it features 2 different lines, MSS, and MSS Plus. The MSS is made for lighter duty purposes, and MSS Plus is made for heavy duty work environments. Our MSS Plus sets are typically suited for manufacturing or repair facilities. Both lineups feature a modular approach, allowing you to outfit your work bay, garage, or work facility and can meet the needs of any individual's workflow. As I mentioned before, our tools are great, but our organization is even better. Our Sonic foam system is designed to fit in either our toolboxes or cabinets. The foam is chemical resistant, with all tool locations marked and identified clearly with a two-tone system for easy reference for missing tools. We also offer laser etching and an inventory control binder, which helps you identify your own tools. We can laser etch the serial number on each set, or for an additional cost, you can opt to have a custom identifier. We offer a lifetime warranty on all of our products. Better yet, our warranty claims process is easy and completely hassle-free. All you must do is take a picture of the tool and upload the picture to Sonic's online portal. The replacement tool will be shipped to you within 24 hours, so you can avoid downtime and have the tools you need to get back to the job. And finally, in addition to building tool sets to different levels of expertise, we also offer tool sets tailored to specific career types, and sell tools individually as well. We have sets suited for automotive, aviation, and manufacturing careers, multi-purpose sets, and standalone products. Generally speaking, if you have a project that needs tools, we have a solution. We've just gone over a lot of information, so let's quickly go through the key points. The student program. Sonic offers a 35% discount on a majority of our products, and the discount extends 90 days past graduation. Plus, financing is available for all students, up to a $7,000 limit with instant approval. The Sonic Pathway Program. This program offers sets for starting technicians to seasoned experts. It allows you to start at a basic level set and upgrade at your own pace. Plus, laser etching is included on all tools. In our products, we have toolboxes for any job at hand and offer tool cabinets customizable for any space and workflow. Our hand tools are designed in sets individually, giving you options on how you build a collection of tools that is right for you. So, what are the next steps? First, head to our website, sonictoolsusa.com, or scan the QR code on the screen to fill out our student application. Applications are approved within 24 hours, and you will receive an acceptance email. Then you can log in with the email you provided and the password that is sent to you. From there, you're free to purchase and save 35% on a majority of our products. The discount will automatically apply to your cart. After checkout, you will receive an order confirmation email as well as shipping notification once your order has shipped. Thank you for your time today. We hope you consider making Sonic Tools your trusted choice when it comes to your career.